Hey guys, welcome to Low Boost Entertainment. My name is Ricardo and today we are about to start putting parts on the BMW 335. Here is all the parts. So we got brake pads, heart brake pads. We got I believe this is the oil cooler right here. This is a radiator, CSF radiator. We got a used intercooler. We got some brake rotors, hoses for the intercooler, and some other stuff. Oh, and BC Racing coilovers. So I had created a list of all the stuff that needed to be on the car. So, you know, these all the ones with the checks, that I already bought, and that's what we have. Excuse my handwriting, it's kind of crappy. Anyway, so we're gonna try to install most of these parts today, like the cooler, the transmission mount, the bearings. I should cross this out because this was already done. Radiator, coilovers. Let's see if we can knock at least 4 of these things off the list. All right, so let me get to work. All right guys, so I believe this is where I'll be mounting the oil cooler. Well, sorry, the transmission cooler. So I had to take off the front bumper, the guards, and all that stuff, so I can put it in here. So this is a box with the cooler. Came from Burger Motorsports, I believe. So it comes with the lines, comes with the fittings, and the plate to use to mount. And I'm assuming this is the cooler. Yeah, that's the cooler, and that cooler gonna be going right here. So let me install this real quick. 1, 2. All right, so it comes with this thing here. The thing is a clamp. So, and it comes with a few other clamps here and screws. So I believe you're supposed to put this together. Comes with 2 clamps, and I believe they go. Oh, do they go? Yep, there you go. Like this, I believe, and a pinch right here on this thing. So let's put some screws in. These are with some Allen key bolts. So let's just drop them in. I'm gonna catch them before we put them on the car. This brace is in the way. That's nice. So apparently you have to take off the headlights to get to this thing, because the headlights is in the way for you to screw this bolt in if you want to put it very close to the radiator support. So it pinch itself here, then let's mount the cooler right here, just like this. See, that's how it's gonna go. Let me just line it up. There you go. And I want to move this thing out of the way. Okay, so far it's hitting on the cooler. Okay. Definitely need to trim here because see, I already pinched the cooler already, but it should be fine. So we have to trim this thing because yeah. So we're gonna just cut this part off, install the other bracket, and it should be fine. Alright guys, there it is. It's all hooked up, mounted. That bracket I was talking about, you hook it on the car and extend down to the oil cooler. These hoses here that came with it, it run right under and it goes to the original coolant lines from the transmission. You just plug it out and plug it in. And it also comes with some blocker off tabs. This one when it goes to the original oil cooler, and the second hose that goes to the radiator, they also block that off. Alright guys, so that's the transmission cooler. Now to install the oil cooler. Alright. Alright guys, so now I'm on the passenger side to change out the factory cooler for the more efficient cooler. You can get this from Bmw. It's a CSF engine cooler. I'm assuming if you have the E92 M3, you can also use this as a transmission cooler. But because we have the 335, we're gonna use it as an oil cooler. So you basically, you're just swapping out this one. It's pretty easy. You take off the mud guard, that's it right there, and you just swap this out and put this one in. So let's open it. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. This is the cooler. It looks exact like the OEM one. Same size too, it seems like. I guess because you got the more fins. I'm assuming that's what that is. But see, it's a direct replacement. Huh. Not bad. Alright, so let me replace it and I get back in a minute. Alright guys, it's finally installed. FYI, I should have known as soon as you pull this, prepare for a bunch of oil. Let's look on the floor. Oil everywhere. So I have to do some cleanup after I'm done. But anyhow, everything is all done. Oil cooler is installed. Once I turn the car on, hopefully no leaks. But so far so good. Looking good. Here's the oil cooler. They look the same, but I think it's the fins or something. I don't know, but same size and everything. But should be, according to the internet and Bmw, is gonna make a big difference. All right. Oh, you have to take out the headlights. Both coolers, you have to take the headlights out. Maybe you can do it without it, but it's a lot easier to just take the headlights out to install both of these. So now we have the radiator and the intercooler left. Once we do all of that, then we go to the coilovers and transmission and what else? The brakes and what else? Yeah, brakes and caliper and bleeding the entire system. And yeah, hopefully that should be it. So, but I'm gonna call it today guys. So thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And I'll see you guys later.